Our channel is for you guys. Friends are voting for you here. Let's play now with tracks and madness. This is fun and interesting. We will tell you kids about the road roller dozen plans. Then of course we count the numbers. This will be fun, play with friends.
This is a city of cars. Look, a police car is patrolling the road. Her name is Molly. Molly has a very important job: to keep order on the city streets. Molly stopped at an intersection where road works are carried out. A road marking machine works here. She applies paint for road marking to the intersection of the road, where a pedestrian crossing will now appear. What a great zebra crossing we've got here! So when the road marking is applied, it is necessary to install an appropriate road sign here. The first road sign is a yellow rhombus. The second road sign is a white triangle. And the third road sign is a blue square in which a person crosses the road on a zebra crossing. We need this very sign. It is called a pedestrian crossing. Guys, did you know that the yellow color on the signs was not chosen by chance? It turns out, as scientists have proven, drivers and pedestrians notice yellow signs faster. Knowing road signs is important for both drivers and pedestrians. Oops, it appears that on this street is a little traffic jam. All cars have to go around a yellow car that has stopped right in the lane and caused an obstacle for other cars. Let's put no stopping sign so it never happens again. Our police car noticed a car in the distance that goes very fast. Molly must determine whether it exceeds the specified speed limit, 50 kilometers per hour. A special device helps the police to determine the speed of passing cars. This is a radar. Let's see how it works. The number on the radar indicates the speed of a vehicle passing by. The numbers change because the speed of each car is different. Wow, look! The numbers are glowing red. This means that the driver exceeded the speed. Molly decides to catch up with the intruder and rushes into pursuit. Despite the police siren and flashing lights turned on, the intruder does not stop. Oh no, how dangerous it is! The collision just almost happened. Molly, be careful. Look, the intruder vehicle has disappeared somewhere. It seems he managed to escape. But whether Molly will catch the violator, we will find out in the next episodes. Bye-bye.